Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. I am getting an early start again today. It looks the same as it did yesterday. It's 8:39, and let's see what we can go. See how it's been chugging, ching-ching, but still, I think I can make those targets. The software can, rather. See, there it is, the level again, right there. Yeah, it was going up, and now it came back down. Pretty much went up all night. I think it's going to be pretty once it makes its move, because if it goes past here, it's going to go up. If it gets down past here, see how this earlier in the night, if it busts through here, it's going down. Or it could just kind of keep lollygagging around. Buyers and sellers. Support and resistance. That's the name of the game. Once you figure that out, you deal with the price action. You see how the price action moves, you're on your way. If you have some software too that can make it a little easier, it's always nice. Here we go. See if it makes a move. 44, 45.
Order filled.
There we go. A little hesitation there. 42, 40, come on, 39s. Want to see 39s. Gotta move that up. Some breathing room. It looks like it wants to bounce. We're not giving up on this one. It's getting into that squeeze area. 44s, 46s, 45s, 44. Come on. I want to see some numbers coming down. Here we go. 43s, 41s. You can see the between the bid and the ask. I don't think the buyers want to take it up yet. I could be wrong. Yeah, it's coming down.
Order canceled.
Yeah. See, we didn't give up. It's going to go down. There it is. Now it's at that level. See if it gets a bounce or it goes down farther. It's going to go down a little farther.
Order canceled.
Right there. 28, 29, 27, 26, 8, 27, 29s. Yeah, it's bouncing. Gonna wait. We're up $4,000 on that little roller coaster ride. Yeah, it went down. See, once it got past that area, should have hung on, but I'll wait for the next move. Oh yeah, we should have definitely gone there. Damn it. Got ahead of myself. Oh well. Catch the bounce up, huh? There it is. Below that, it could go farther.
Order filled.
I didn't get that stop right. Oh yeah, let's go back down. Here it comes. Threes or twos, so long as I want 9 9s. Here we go. One more pop. One more pop. Sellers are still there. Shit. Did the buyers come back in? Nope. Nope, it ain't going up that fast.
Order canceled.
I am going to wait this ride down because it's going to go down farther. Yeah, this is going to press down farther. Yeah, this is going down farther. '81s. Let's see some '81s. There we go. They took them. '79s. There we go. Drive that fucker down. Drive that fucker down. Come on, guys.
Order canceled.
Yeah, we're good there. I think it's going to go down farther, but it's bobbing there. Be bobbing. Pardon my French, but that was the move I wanted. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here. All right, let's take a look at the strategy performance for the day. All right, $7,600. This hasn't caught up yet with the tally. So we're looking at 244 for the commission. So we're looking at 77,400 roughly. 7 4. Add that up. I got my calculator. It's a good one. 7605 minus 244. $7,300. 100%. Took 1.4 minutes, and that's $231,000 for the month if you do that every month, which I'm on pace to do. So you can't see how it's bouncing right there. You can see it on the 1 minute. All right. Well, keep watching, guys, and keep making videos. Thanks for watching.